I'll show you how to open up a Busch Müller IQ-XS Highbeam headlight. Now, mine is broken, so I want to see if I can repair it. Now the housing is solid aluminium. It has no threads whatsoever, so I can't screw it open. So how they assembled this is not by the back, via the back, but via the front. This glass front is the last part that went in. What you need to do to open it is you need to apply pressure on this glass ridge on both sides. So I've already done it partly on this side, and by doing so you can wiggle the glass upwards. Now I'm gonna go on with, I think, with a flathead screwdriver to pry it out, and I'll show you the end result. Oh, it's plastic. So don't worry breaking it too much, because well, it ain't glass, so you won't have to endure glass splinters. Now there we go. Beautiful. Now, one common problem with these lights is the high beam thread, not thread, the high beam wire gets damaged and it stops working. So if you want to fix it yourself, this is the way to do it. You can just solder a new wire on it and it works again. I'm gonna investigate why this light won't operate anymore. So this is the light completely disassembled, and now you can service it. Hope this helps anyone. Good luck, and thanks for watching.